Speed up your intelligence, the purpose of your life. The whole purpose of your life is to speed up your intelligence. That is all it is about, to be more intelligent than in the last moment. But nobody's ever told us how to be intelligent, have they? We're in the hands of the scientists and the university professors. I can only be more intelligent as I release my holding on to the past, to the last moment, to yesterday. I slow my intelligence down if I want something I knew in the past or want in the future. That is unintelligent. If you want something, stop wanting it and go and do it. If you can't do it, then stop wanting. That's intelligent, isn't it? You have to have something more intelligent than your human mind and emotions and opinions. You have to be more intelligent, which means to be more present in your body. And how do you do that? First of all, you can be still, for stillness is still the way. Love is delight. It is not a matter of saying I love you. You have to demonstrate all day, every day, by your actions, otherwise the words are useless. That is what love is, a delight, and that is what we have lost in this world, the demonstration of it. I ask you to find the God inside, which is life. And it is a joyous place, it is just what is inside in the first instance. There are no energies in the body. There is only life, and life is a power. And there is only love, which is a power, and there is only truth, which is a power, and there is only knowledge, which is a power, and there is only intelligence, which is a power. Powers are not forces. Forces are energies, obviously, because forces move, so they are energies. So stay with the power, which is your own life. The source of life is in your own body, self-evident and in your own experience. Knowing yourself means being able to separate the true from the false in yourself, love from emotion, joy from sentiment, will from desire. No man can teach another self-knowledge. He can only lead him or her up to self-discovery, the source of truth. The only thing that can change is intelligence, and intelligence is always now and never moves.